Hello guys, welcome to my channel.
In a function series, we are going to learn about the function with a default parameter, Kotlin. First lecture function we have read about the simple method, and in second lecture we heard about the function with parameter. In third lecture we heard about the function with return value, and then this next lecture we are going to learn a function with a default value. For example, we have a add method, and in this method we have a num1 float type, num2 of float type, but num2 is equal to 10.5 if nothing is going to be given here. Then we have a return type also float, and here we are creating this. This is the float value, so we have to put f in front of this. This is also for creating a default value. We are putting here 12.4 f, creating it a float. Then return and put here num1 plus num. Okay, now again we are calling this here println the sum of two number in decimal is equal to plus, and here we are calling this without giving any argument first. Then next time copy paste, again copy paste. So here we are passing only one parameter 0.5 f, and here we are passing two value 34.5 f. F means float, and 56.7. So in this function we are not giving any argument, so automatically it will take this and this. In this function we are giving only the argument this one, not giving second one, so it will take second one 10.4 f. Here we are giving all argument. Now see the this. So this is the use of function with default parameter in Kotlin. In next lecture we will see the internal functions and function with value, name named argument, function with named argument. Next.